Welcome to this guide on GSTR-9 and 9C for FY 2024-25. We'll cover key FAQs for easy GST compliance. GSTR-9 and 9C for FY 2024-25 enable automatically once all GSTR-1 and GSTR-3B returns for the year are filed. If any GSTR-1 or 3B is pending for FY 2024-25, GSTR-9 won't enable. Tables 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9 auto-populate from filed returns. Table 8 of GSTR-9 for FY 2024-25 captures GSTR-to-be details, including invoices from April to October 2025, excluding April to October 2024. IMS dashboard actions don't directly impact GSTR-9. Accepted documents appear in GSTR-to-be then in Table 8 of GSTR-9. Yes, from FY 2024-25, supplies added or amended via GSTR-1 will auto-populate in Tables 4 and 5 of GSTR-9. Table 6A1 of GSTR-9 reports ITC from FY 2023-24, claimed in FY 2024-25, and is included in Table 6A. However, ITC reclaimed due to Rule 37 or 37 or from previous financial years will not be reported in Table 6A1. For ITC claimed, reversed, and reclaimed within FY 2024-25, report the original claim in Table 6B, reversal in Table 7, and reclaim in Table 6H. If ITC from FY 2023-24 was claimed and reversed in 2023-24 but reclaimed in 2024-25, it's reported in Table 6A1 if not due to Rule 37/37A, otherwise in Table 6H. For ITC claimed and reversed in FY 2024-25 but reclaimed in FY 2025-26, the reclaim is reported in Table 13 of GSTR-9 for FY 2024-25 and Table 6A1 of GSTR-9 for FY 2025-26, if not due to Rule 37/37A. If the reclaim is due to Rule 37/37A, it's reported in Table 6H of GSTR-9 for FY 2025-26, not Table 13 of GSTR-9 for FY 2024-25. Table 6 mislabel has been updated to include ITC claimed through ITC 01, 02, and 02A, aligning with form instructions. Table 8 Excel provides invoice-wise details. Download Table 8 document details from the GSTR-9 dashboard. Table 8 Excel and Table 8 Online may differ in specific scenarios like RCM outward supplies or amendments across financial years. Amendments by your supplier in GSTR-1, 1 or IFF will auto-populate in your Table 8 if they pertain to FY 2024-25. For example, an invoice dated 30th March 2025 added in GSTR-1 for April 2025 would appear in Table 8 for FY 2024-25. If the supplier amends the date to 30th April 2025, it belongs to FY 2025-26 and won't be considered for Table 8 Online of GSTR-9 for FY 2024-25. However, this record will still appear in Table 8 Excel's B2B section for GSTR-9 of FY 2024-25. We hope this summary clarifies GSTR-9 and 9C for FY 2024-25. Stay compliant and informed.